My name is Mesba Mearsault, and I am the odd one in my family, but always on the verge of acceptance. Whenever I see my mom wave her tail aimlessly, I feel life is nothing more than a sexually transmitted event. Whenever I look at my brother, I feel the world is a comedy stage without the need of actors. Look at him, look at him. He can't make up his mind whether he wants to play Humphrey Bogart or Jerry Lewis. The problem is, he begins searching for his own footage on anything rectangular, even remotely resembling a screen. I pity him as much as I envy him. I envy him because, unlike him, I have never received any warmth from my family. Nobody feels it necessary that they should ever make me feel good. Everyone simply ignores me. At the beginning of each new day, I think I'll be on top of the world, but everything just slips from under me. And generally, it is my brother who reaches the top. It is another matter that when on top, he fancies himself an ace rock climber. God has spared me of my brother's woolly-headedness and a stupidity that can be downright lethal. Oh, thank God for small mercies. Still, I always want to be part of their world. It must be some kind of a precarious symbiosis which pushes me to them, in spite of the humiliation that I encounter every now and then. You see, I am generally the outsider, but quite thrilled to notice my motley family around me. So what if I can't ever gain their acceptance? So what?